Welcome back, Pack, to the channel. There's nothing really I'm welcoming you back to. I'm gonna start trying to do reviews, or not really reviews, but like what's coming up in the week. So for this week, I plan on doing a Godot overview tutorial, just introducing beginners to the engine, which I'm a beginner as well, but that's besides the point. I'll be going over like the 3D scene, the 2D scene, how to add stuff, um, basic functions, the script, the different types of script that they have, things like that. That's basically it. That's what that video will be going in depth in. And then on Friday, I hope to be going. Well, I plan on going through the Android setup. Um, just depends on how everything works. I'll have a link to my old SDK that I have. It will only be for Windows since I do not have Clickteam for the Mac, unfortunately, and it should work for everything. I personally only like to support up to Lollipop, so 2014, but I will be looking into the spread of Android users because I know not everyone is going to be on Oreo since it was just released last year. It usually takes some time for things to pick up for Android. I think like 30% of users are using Oreo or something, um, and most of the people are using Marshmallow and Nougat. So that's what you guys have to look forward to. And first video is Wednesday. After that, I will try to be uploading Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Mondays, I want to do something with Godot using the GDScript. Um, on Wednesdays, I want to do the exact same thing but visual scripting. And Fridays will be for Clickteam, whether it be a Firefly tutorial, an exporter tutorial, some walkthroughs on different uh, exporters. Kind of like this Friday, I'm going to be doing the Android walkthrough for setting that up. But hope to see you guys.